Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're gonna be playing a game called The Skin Stampler. This is a horror game and this is just a demo. So I'm not quite sure when the full game's gonna get released. Let's get started. Our new game. The song is pretty hard though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
Thank you.
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak.
What is this, Gotham City? It looks like Gotham City.
Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper. Tuesday.
Please report any possible sightings.
This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick, Detective Dick Slater, and I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over.
My name is Detective Dick.
Its own sin.
That's my name, Detective Dick.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
Yeah.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Oh my god, I look so chopped. Look at my hair. I only have like 3 pieces of freaking hair. Damn, how the fuck you do that? CCPD. Okay.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee.
Bro, this city is not it. What city is this?
Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Okay. So we are in Gotham City. Look at this, bro. What is this place? Would you guys work here for a whole year for $1 million? No, would you guys live here for a whole year for $1 million? You know, so. Okay, let's go. Okay, CCPD. Let's go. Interact. Yo, this police station is fucked. No way is that ugly. Hello, ma'am?
Hello, Luna.
Why is she a baddie, though?
They still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Girl, why are you working here?
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
See ya. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go in. Wanted. Police sketch. Yo, I would not even come to a police station to ask for help because look at this. What the hell? What the hell is this? Oh, hello?
Slater! Sir! I mean, Detective Slater! Sir!
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir, but I was just thinking. if you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I could really help out
Nah,
there.
I think I'm good.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid. But your place is here. At the station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Bro, he's weird.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about this stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. I mean, detective.
You're one weird one, for real. Hello?
You're still chasing Ghost, Slater?
Ghost? You mean a serial killer?
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
Okay.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, dick. Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Okay. Who's this? Hi, ma'am.
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Oh.
Not even a little.
Oh.
Shame. I got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Oh.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
She's such a freaky ass police.
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Oh, damn. You thirsty. Oh, hello? Oh my god, I'm so chocked.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
Oh.
That's Detective Robbie Knox.
Bro, why does he look like that? He looks freaking like...
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79 was legendary.
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable.
Bro, my piece of hair right there is...
Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
It's getting me mad.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Ooh.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
Ooh.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Nah, bro. I think he's the killer.
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
Oh.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a decent Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
What kind of police station am I at? And you did not eat your freaking donuts, you freaking. Okay, let's go catch the killer. Oh, over here. Oh my god, it's so freaking ugly here. Bye, girl. Oh my god. Gotham City. Okay, let's go.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
No.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
He's like, what the hell? He's weird. The quick fix. Hot, fresh wieners inside.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life.
Bro, he looks weird.
But I don't regret you, baby. Jank wagon deserves nothing but the best.
My jank what the
Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust.
Damn, everybody hates the city. I mean,
I'll
it's
be
bad.
counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Okay, so we are him. Let's go. Is this just right here? Oh my god, dude, it's so dark and scary here too. Nothing works. Look at the freaking lights. Okay, they got noodles though. They got candies. There's the restroom. Okay, okay. Ugly at dude, that restroom's so freaking ugly. You have tools at the freaking liquor store, I guess. Okay. Employees only. Okay. What the fuck? Right here? Oh, hello?
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
Hexy? That's my name. Hexy?
Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic.
Stuck in traffic? Wait, bro. There's barely any people in that freaking city.
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
Are you
Did he just
calling me
freaking
on the
fart?
shitter again?
Just freaking farted on the phone.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Fresh wieners? What? I thought it was been outside for a minute. Dude, that's like moldy ass wieners. Okay, bro. Okay. Is it right here? Oh, bro, this is so... Why is this so creepy? Trash. Okay, let's go. What is this? This? Dude, and there's flies. And we're gonna serve those to the yeah, we're getting sued. What the freak?
Does this place ever actually fix anything?
Ew, what?
Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes. Especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Cool.
Ew.
Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
Yeah, weirdo.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Okay, box of mystery meat. So now we're holding that. Okay, now what are we doing? The fuck? Right here? What the heck? God damn! Oh, they're so moldy! Dude, they're freaking moldy. What the freak? That's disgusting. Bro, look at the... See how moldy they are? Yeah, we're getting sued. These people are gonna die. Oh, customer. Welcome to the quick fix.
Hey youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it snappy.
A nice long one. You couldn't just say, can I get a hot dog? Okay, bro. We'll make it nice and long for you. Okay, that's the hot dog buns. And I'll put it in here. Weenies, I am supposed we put it right here.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready.
Okay. Oh, toasted bun, cooked wiener, mustard, ketchup, relish, the works, hot dog container. Okay, so we put this, and then container. Okay, here you go, sir. Have a nice day. Yeah, I'm calling HR. Get me out of here. I don't want to work here no more. What the fuck was that? What was that? Who eats a hot dog like that? Ugh. I heard he had the biggest wieners around. Let me get one. Oh my god, why does nobody just say, can I get a hot dog? Oh my god, you guys. You people are freaking weird. Weird ass city with weird ass people. Okay. Okay, we'll put this, and then container. Here, have a good day, miss. Get me out, I don't want to be here no more. Oh, hell no. What the fuck do you want?
Hello again.
What, bro?
Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Fine establishment? Weird ass.
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here.
I just work here, dead ass.
Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners?
Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for something a little more unique.
And you know what that is? Me.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
Me.
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Why do you need staples this late at night?
Oh, You could say I'm working on a little art project.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Okay, you can leave now. Where is he going? No, bro. Contact HR ASAP. What the fuck? I'm quitting. Man, ooh. Oh my god, you're pretty chopped. I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener. Oh my god. Yeah, bitch, you're gonna get the biggest fucking stomach ache ever. Ketchup, put it right here. Boom, boom, boom. Here you go, miss. Have a good day. Oh, that sound was in. Bro, she fucking bended back and everything. Another customer, another customer. Oh my god, Blueface, baby. Give me a meaty, juicy one. Okay, Blueface, okay. Okay, I'll put it right here. Here's your moldy wiener. How's your day, sir? Oh, he does not want to talk. Okay. Right here. This. Oh! Here you go, sir. Bro, he literally bent back and everything. That's actually insane. What the fuck? Please let me clock out already. Let me clock. Oh, we got a customer? Oh, I thought we had a customer. Oh, we got a customer. Oh, she's actually like looking for food. She's actually like looking. Why is she pretty though?
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
Shrimp queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
Don't judge me. Why she sound so like?
No judgment.
She sound all sexy.
Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy.
Call me sexy.
I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Thanks, Hex. Yo, he's staring at her. He's doing a full 360. Nah, she dead. She dead. Oh. Shut up.
Shit, dude!
What the hell?
What's your problem? It seems you're all out of staples.
You've
I'm
been
getting pretty
here
sick
for
of your
like
shit.
20 minutes.
I think you better leave before I make you.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What?
Huh?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Please get out.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
By the way, You might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
He clogged the fucking toilet, you nasty ass piece of. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
Oh my god, what a nasty ass. Freaking shit, he's such a nasty ass.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Oh, hell nah. This one? Okay, we're gonna unclog it. God dang! Oh! Oh! Bro, who the fuck unclogs a toilet like that?
This stupid thing isn't working.
Working. What the? There's an earthquake? Dude, there's an earthquake.
What the? What is that sound?
Please don't tell me I just died from shit. I just died from shit exploding in my face. Are you serious? Gutters and bowling alley. Open 24 hours. Oh, I'm the girl now. Hey.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
Yeah, bro. Nah, let's go back. No, let's go. Bye. Bye, bitch. Bye, bitch. This motherfucker?
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
Let me guess. Money laundering.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
We're gonna put my cup of. Dude, this place is so freaking ugly. It could be cool. It has potential. But dude, look at this. It's dirty, bro. How does it get this dirty? Like, do you guys live here? Okay, what is this? This is the restrooms. Carnival horror. Staff only. Oh, they ate one of the. Yeah, nasty. Y'all having diarrhea.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Okay. And where the fuck is Lucas? Oh, he's over there. What's up, bro?
Alright, Lucas. You can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh my god.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
Alright.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Lazy ass.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Ugh. Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
Oh my freaking gosh. Annoying. Wait, do we have to go check which one it is? This one? Oh yeah, out of order. Oops. Damn, girl. Oh. Oh. Okay. What the fuck? Yeah, we almost freaking died.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front
Bro,
of
what
the
the
feeder.
fuck? Is that a bomb in there? Oh, nah.
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those
All right.
balls.
Bro, are you freaking serious? Are you freaking... What the frick do you want?
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
And I'm working by myself.
What a lovely little establishment this is. With an adorable little creature. running it.
Creature?
Creature? Do you
Oh,
want to
hell
purchase
no.
a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a
That's
game
not
per
bad.
lane.
But I mean, it's ugly.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
You mean like my work
Oh, hell
uniform?
nah.
Sure, let's call it that.
Nasty ass.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane
Of course,
6.
6. Oh, yeah, we're dead. We dead. I think we're dead.
Total creep.
And he's gonna sit there and watch me? Nah. Oh, yeah, let's get these fast. W? Why does that sound so satisfying though? A. D. S. A. B. No. Doing this one. Wait, I didn't even check where he was. D. A. W. B. S. Hell yeah. Oh, nah, you're freaking lying. You're freaking lying. Bro. A. Oh my god, hurry up. S. Dude. I would have kicked his ass out right there, right now, and called the police. A.
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Where'd he go? Bro, do this shit fast.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Smelly shoe. Girl, damn, you go. Do you smell them and some shit or what? Okay. Yes, sir. I really hope they make this a full game because this game is fun. I like it. It's like about a killer and you're working at a job and then this game's cool, I'm not gonna lie. Hey.
That should do it.
Yeah, we're motherfucking dead. Where'd he go? Yeah, we're dead.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do
We're
any
dead.
killing. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Girl, what do you mean if he's gone? You didn't even see where the frick he went. Yeah, you're freaking dead. That's literally a dumb way to freaking die. And you're alone. Go grab your freaking Maruchan.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Yeah, we're dead. It's over. What the fuck is that? He drugged me. Yeah, it's over. It's over. What the hell?
Oh, what happened?
Yeah, he drugged me. Is a freaking shrimp talking to me?
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly. We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second. What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
What the frick?
I can see him. You gotta get up. What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp. You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Oh, okay, that's so... Is that him? Look at his face.
Mr. Shrimp.
Oh, I skipped the back, so my bad.
Call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis. Among
Paralysis?
other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
Dude, he's freaking crazy.
What do you mean?
Bro, he's just a crazy...
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I strip it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Nah.
Please, don't.
Yeah, we're done. We're over. We're dead. We're dead. Yup. Rest in peace for me. Rest in peace. Yup. Damn. Damn. That shit fucking... Damn. What's going on? Is that me, bro? My skin is off. That's dude. Nah. Nah. What the hell was that? Bro. Nah, that's crazy. Ew. That's literally a demon. My face! Bro, he's just crazy. Okay guys, so that is gonna be all for today, but I hope you guys enjoyed this game. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get to 3K subscribers. We got this. We got this. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.